Thank you. Hello, my name is Lindsay Mulligan, and I'm the Global Chief Marketing Officer at Buckzy Payments Inc. At Buckzy, we are fundamentally transforming the way people move money around the globe. And we're doing that within a $2 trillion category, which is cross-border payments. At Buckzy, we've developed a real-time cross-border payments ecosystem that facilitates transfers 365 days a year, 24/7, even outside of traditional banking hours and holidays. At Buckzy, we're enablers of banks and financial institutions, creating a platform for them to integrate into to develop innovative, real-time cross-border payment solutions for their customers. Anyone who integrates into our ecosystem has access to 40 different real-time payment rails that exist around the globe. Our ecosystem facilitates bank-to-bank transfers, bank-to-wallet transfers, and bank-to-biller transfers. Now, we created Buckzy because of all the friction that exists in the cross-border payment space today. Friction I'm sure a lot of you have experienced yourselves when you're trying to send money or pay for a bill overseas. Like transparency, the cost, the overall customer experience, which is definitely not optimal. But the biggest friction that affects all the others is the time it takes to settle the funds, the accessibility of your money. And that's exactly what I'm going to show you today that the Buckzy ecosystem solves. So I'm going to show you an example of a peer-to-peer cross-border payment transfer that's settled in real time. You can say that I'm routinely sending money home to my family for support, and they live in India. So I go to buckzy.net, I log into my account, and it's going to take me directly to my Buckzy dashboard. So as you can see here, I have my profile information, my saved recipients. I've already topped up my Buckzy wallet here to facilitate the transfer. So say I'm going to send 10 Canadian dollars direct to India. I get a real live FX quote that's always highly competitive in the Buckzy network. So it's going to be 534 dirhams. I'm OK with the quote. My purpose for sending is for family support. And I'm going to deposit it directly into my family's bank account regionally in India. And I'm going to pay with it with my Buckzy wallet. Now, we have a two-factor authentication for security purposes on our back end. So I'm going to be sent an OTP just to ensure that I am the one who's actually sending the payment. Once it's secure, the payment is then initiated. So let's take a look at our dashboard. I'm just going to scroll down to my transaction details, and there you can see right there. There is a pending review at the moment, and we're going to just take a look at actually the receiver end and just see how real-time our ecosystem is. So I'm going to log in to that regional bank in India. Select my family's bank account. Take a look at my transaction statement. And there you go. A real-time deposit, September 25th, because that's the time in India at this moment, directly debited into their account in real time. So as you can see, it's a pretty frictionless and simple both sender and receiver experience within our ecosystem. And we're really reducing all of that friction that exists inside real-time payments, cross-border payments today. Now, this is just one example of how you can actually utilize our technology. We can do it with international student payments, bill payments, commission payments, really any other option that would do better with a real-time settlement versus waiting 1 to 3 days for your payment to achieve its destination. So if you're looking to increase customer acquisition and retention in order to improve operational efficiencies and lower your costs and remain your position or gain a role as a leader in your respective categories by implementing innovative cross-payment solutions, myself and the Buckzy team are looking forward to speaking to you further. Thank you.